She's been freaking out for the last 20 minutes. She started off by telling everyone to pray for her mother who just passed away. Then she went up and down the aisles telling everyone to pray for her mother. And then she's been like this for the last, 15, 20 minutes.
God, you're my savior! 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 God, you're my savior!
I don't know if this guy next to her knows her or not. He's been trying to calm her down the whole time.
God, you're my savior! 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 Don't fucking touch me! God, you're my savior! God, you're my savior! Sorry, God! God, you're my savior! 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 God, you're my savior!
The flight attendant asked me to make sure she doesn't like try to go to the back door and open it. If she tries to go back, we're gonna block her.
God, you're my savior! 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 Yeah, God, you're my savior!